Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect hosting your domain to Vercel. So, hosting a domain, to connect hosting a domain to Vercel, you have to follow all the steps I'm gonna show you. So let's jump into the video. So you can see I'm already logged in my hosting. Wait, first of all, let me log into my hostinger. Make sure to stick around till the end because I will also share some troubleshooting tips if it does not connect right way. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, you will need to log into both of your account. Head over to hostinger and sign in. From there you can claim their deal like $3 plus 2 months free. So around 3 months it is. So then you can log in if you already have an account using your Google account. From there you have to choose your email, then tap continue. So you have to log in first, then open a new tab and search for Vercel. Then go to Vercel's website and sign in to Vercel. So login, I will give you a few seconds to log in. So alright, once you are in, let's move on to next step. Inside your hostinger dashboard here, you make sure you have a domain purchased already. If not, you will need to buy one first. I am going to be using a domain. So I don't have a domain right now, but the steps are exactly the same for a brand new domain too. So follow the steps as I explain further in the video. So now in Vercel, click on your profile icon in the top right corner here. Then click on domains from the drop down. Search for domain option. You have to click on domain, then you have to click on to add existing domain. Next, you will need to select the project that you want to connect this domain to. Select your project and hit connect. So now it is going to ask you for your domain name. Enter your full domain name like @example.com. Then you have to click add. So Vercel will now check if it can find your domain or not. It usually takes a few seconds. Now Vercel will show you some DNS records that you need to add in hostinger. These are usually records, sometimes CNAMEs too. You will see a table with the type, name, value and TTL. So here's some important tips. You have to follow the records exactly. Even small mistakes like a missing dot or wrong TTL can cause issues later. Take a moment to double check everything what Vercel is asking for. Alright, now you have to head back to your hostinger tab. Click on DNS zone editor in your domain settings. Search for your DNS zone editor. Search for the DNS option. So if you find that option, then you have to click add record, choose type a full name, just enter @ of For points to copy the IP address from Vercel, set TTL to 300 seconds or leave it as default. Then you have to click save. You may have more than one record to add, so repeat the steps if needed. If Hostinger already has some records that point somewhere else, you might want to delete them first. Otherwise, they can cause conflicts. So once you are done, take a second to review everything. In some cases, Vercel might also ask you to change name servers. If that happens, go back to your Hostinger dashboard, find the name server settings, replace Hostinger's default name servers with the ones Vercel provides. Then you have to save your changes. Changing name servers can also affect your emails, so double check if you have email hosting set up. Once you have done everything, it is a waiting game now. DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours to fully update. During that time, Vercel might still show a configuration invalid message. That's completely normal, don't panic. You can refresh Vercel after a few minutes and check again. Usually it updates within 30 minutes, but be patient if it does not. So that's it. Once everything is set up, Vercel will show valid configuration next to your domain. Now you can know. Now visit your domain and your Vercel project will be live there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.